What's up, y'all? You still having some power issues with your bike? Come take a look over here. The issue here is our console's not powering on. What we want to do is check the connections in the back of the bike by unplugging and plugging it back in, seeing if the brake homes. Does the brake home? No. That tells me that there's no power going through our inner frame cable here. What we can do is we can check to see that it's fully seated in the back of the brake. It is not. Once I get this fully seated, the brake's going to go down and up, and it works. For any reason, you plug this in completely and it's not homing, we're going to go ahead and switch out this inner frame cable first. If you go ahead and do that, plug it all back in, and the brake isn't homing still, we're going to go ahead and replace the brake next. Moving forward, we have two cables, so if you do all of this work and you're still not getting power to your console, it's one of these two cables, and we're going to cover that in our next video.